Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Hafiz Quran Academy. My name is Hafiz Ahmad, and this is our second tutorial where we are going to learn the articulation points of the Arabic letters. And today I will teach you the Makhraj number 1 and how many letters we pronounce from the Makhraj number 1. So now I am just going to show you next image. This is our next image. Here you can see the first written here, the throat. In our last tutorial we read the 5 major areas, and if you remember, so that 5 major areas are those areas where we find, or you can say where we pronounce the different articulation points of Arabic letters. So keep in mind there are 17 Makhraj, 17 articulation points in that 5, and in that 5 major areas. So this throat is one of them. So that's why I open this first and just want to show you how many articulation points, and this is the major area, and this is also the second major area. So here if we read now, there is in the throat 3 articulation points for 6 letters, as you see here. In throat we have 3 articulation points for 6 letters. Remember, keep in mind this please. So basically total articulation points are 17. Okay, and in the throat, in this major area, which is the throat, in this major area of throat there are 3 articulation points for 6 letters. So 6 letters, these two, and these two. These 6 letters from the throat 3 articulation points, they will pronounce from throat 3 articulation points these 6 letters, because the first 2 letters we pronounce from the bottom of the throat, and second 2 letters we pronounce from the middle of the throat, and the last 2 letters we pronounce from bottom of the throat. So these are the areas, as you see, where we pronounce these 6 letters from 3 articulation points of throat. Now I just want to show you the Makhraj number 1. Okay, so here Makhraj number 1, Aqsal Halaq, means bottom of the throat. Pronounce from the bottom part of the throat. Hamza, ha. The definition of Aqsal Halaq is here, pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. These 2 letters, Hamza and Ha, pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. So which you are looking here, these 2 letters, Hamza and Ha, is pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Hamza, Ha, Ha, Hamza, Ha. Repeat after me. Hamza, Ha, Hamza, Ha. One thing more, keep in mind, when I will try to say these letters, you also try to pronounce after me just for practice. Okay, I will hope you will learn something and you understand that how we can pronounce these letters correct. Always try to pronounce the correct sound of each letter. Okay, and one more thing you have to know, that any letter articulation point, how you can know that? You have to know that letter which you want to pronounce, which letter articulation point you want to know. So I hope till now you understand everything. So first of all, I want to show you the Hamza sound in this example, as you see, which is coming from the bottom of the throat, as you see. So how that sound is pronounced? As you see, this is the bottom of throat. Repeat after me. Hamza. You can see I am going to spell this and you will also spell after me. Hamza, Hamza, Fatha, A. Hamza, Hamza, Kasra, I. And the last one, Hamza, Hamza, Dama, U. So let's try to read without spelling. A, I, U. Again read after me. A, I, U. With spelling. Repeat after me. Hamza, Hamza, Zabar, Hamza, Hamza, Fatha, A. Hamza, Hamza, Kasra, I. Hamza, Hamza, Dama, U. Without spelling. A, I, U. In this example, if you see on Hamza, we have Sukoon sign. So if Sukoon sign on Hamza, we will pronounce like jerk. A, I, U. So jerk sound is coming. A, I, U. As you see in this example, on Hamza, we have Jazm sign or Sukoon sign on each. A, I, U. Repeat after me. A, I, U. So on Hamza, we have Jazm sign and Sukoon sign. So that's why I am making jerk sound. A, I, U. So this is the example of Hamza. And the other one is Ha. And this Ha letter pronounced from the bottom part of the throat, as you see in this example. So I am going to just practice you. Hamza, Ha, Fatha, A. Hamza, Ha, Kasra, I. Hamza, Ha, Dama, U. Without spelling. A, I, U. Repeat after me. A, I, U. You will try to spell this. Hamza, Ha, Fatha, A. Hamza, Ha, Kasra, I. Hamza, Ha, Dama, U. A, I, U. If you focus on the sound, the house sound will pronounce from the bottom part of the throat. A, Ha, Ha, A, I, U. Ha, Ha, Ha. You listen from the near the chest this sound. Ha, Ha. Similarly, I say Hamza, Ha, Fatha, A. Hamza, Ha, Kasra, I. Hamza, Ha, Dama, U. Repeat after me without spelling. A, I, U. A, I, U. A, I, U. If you are reading correct sound and you are feeling then that the sound is coming from the bottom of the throat. A, I, U. That's mean you are reading correct. So this was the first Makhraj number. Inshallah, in the next session we will read the Makhraj number 2. What is Makhraj number 2 and how many letters come from the Makhraj number 2? We will see, inshallah. See you in the next session. Just watch this video to pronounce each letter correctly from own articulation point. And if you like this tutorial, you will share with your friend and family. This will help all of you to pronounce the Arabic letters correctly. And if you have any question related this session, so comment in this video and we will try to comment of your reply very quickly. So have a nice day. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.